Hi, this is Don Gerhardstein, Maintenance Supervisor at the Renaissance Apartments. There's a few things I'd like you to check if your HVAC system goes down. One is come over to your unit, check the filter, make sure that it's clean, and if it is, go ahead and put it back in. Another thing is come over to the thermostat over here, which on these thermostats, it'll have a heat, an off, and a cool. Check to see what system you want on, whether you want the heat on or the cool on. You also have an auto for your fan motor to blow out your vents. You want it on auto, not fan. That way, when the temperature reaches, it automatically turns your unit on. If that does not do the work, we have to go over to the breaker panel and I'll have you shut it off. I'll show you which one to shut off and then which one to flip back on. The breaker panel is located either in a closet or in your utility room, or like in this case, the hallway. You open it up, there's a sheet, it says electric panel schedule. You look on here for heat pump, which is 13 and 15. I look on this, and there is numbers on this grid. You go to 13 and 15, it's a double breaker. You flip it off for 30 seconds, flip it back on after 30 seconds. You will immediately hear the fan motor kick on your AC or your heat pump. Come in, stand by your unit. In about 5 minutes, you'll hear the compressor kick on. If the compressor don't kick on after 5 minutes, there could be other issues. Then you need to call maintenance and have them come in and take a look at it. And thank you.